Very nice. Filling your vessel in 2025. What does that entail? Filling your vessel. Really? I believe it entails, what's going to fill you, and a lot of people turn to addictions and stuff, and it's just like, maybe that's not always the answer. Maybe it's just like, maybe it's something outside of our realm, outside of this place that, something else that we need that we're not getting. And it's just like, shit, fuck, like, meditate, do yoga. Like, fuck, we gotta find it somewhere, right? Word of advice, though, is don't ever let anyone else ever tell you how you should live your life. Find what works best for you, obviously. But you gotta do what's right for you, and that's it. But find a more natural addiction that's going to fill your vessel, such as even connecting with nature. Maybe go hiking. Do something in your community. Do something that's going to really seem like more natural and not man-made addiction. Get high off Mother Earth or something. Like, if you think of anything that's fucking natural in your life, find that. Anything man-made, man, I'm telling you, like pills, people they're doing fentanyl, killing themselves, like, man, or anything that's man-made, it's gonna kill you in the end. So literally find something that gives you more of a natural high than anything. Don't turn to all this man-made bullshit. It's just gonna lead you down the wrong path like it does most people. They just follow whatever else everybody else does. It's just don't. It's not the answer. It's never the answer, I should say. So, I don't know. Pegasus Reborn.